Good evening to all. Today we are going to see a very helping and a useful video. As you have seen in the cover pic about the mask, right? So today we are going to see how to wear a mask properly, and also we are going to see whether the mask worn by you is proper or not. So especially this video is made today in English because uh, I wanted this video to reach to all and not just a part of Kerala and the Keralians. So I wanted this video to be reached to all. So I request all you guys to watch this video till the end and not just leave in the half of the video. So I wanted to tell you that as we all know, we are in a pandemic situation, that is corona is being affected in all part of the world. So I wanted you guys to be safe and secured at your home and not get affected by corona. So I wish all are safe and secured. So let's go to our video. We all know that in this situation, many of us are forced, or even the government is saying to wear a mask regularly whenever anyone is leaving out of a home or going to any work. So, why do you guys know why this mask is told to be worn by all of us? The main reason to wear this mask is not to get affected, and also you others don't get affected by you. The main reason of this wearing a mask is only this. So so I wanted you guys to know, you all wear mask, right? We are all sure, as a government and all have told, we wear mask. Okay, I don't know whether you are much satisfied in wearing the mask or you're just wearing it for sake. But I wanted to tell this, there's an important thing to be known by everyone, that is, when you select a mask, you should see whether you are wearing a proper mask or not. Okay, as we see all are wearing mask, it is not just for a sake, it is to protect us from the corona. So, choosing a mask is a very important thing. So, I'm going to show you two masks. Okay, so this is a mask I have taken. I'm going to distinguish between these two masks. Okay, you could see this two mask. Okay, you could see that one is this and one is this. Do you find any difference between these two masks? The one easy difference I can say is this mask is very lighted mask, and this is a double coated mask. You could see this is a double coated mask. So what is the difference is that I'm going to show you with a light example of a candle and a fan. Okay, so let's see how it works. So I'm going to wear first this mask. Okay, see, now I have taken this and I have lighted the candle. Okay, now I'm going to blow this. Okay, see, you could see a live result, it has gone off. So in this type of mask where there is no overcoated, your mask is said to be a waste mask, that is wearing. And buying this type of mask is wasteful, it is not going to be useful at all for you. So next I'm going to show you the other mask which is double coated. Now see, I have taken another mask with the candle. Now I am going to blow it. I have taken my maximum part and still it's being lit. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. So this is what I wanted you guys to show about this too mask. From this, it is very clear for you all that is wearing the right mask is very important. For I'm saying, for an example, if buying, you're going to get this mask at somewhat more rated than the other, but I guarantee you, you are going to save your life and not much more than any other thing. So spending little money on an effective mask is better than getting affected by corona. So I insist you all to watch this video, and I request you all kindly share this video to all maximum, because in any part of our India or our world, there might be any one of them waiting to hear this type of news about how to wear a proper uh, mask, and also uh, how that is which mask is very useful to be used. So please guys share. And also I wanted to tell you the other thing is that how you should wear your mask. Okay, so I'll show you how to wear a proper mask. See, this is the proper way of wearing a mask, that is your nose must be closed till this part. Okay, so I have seen many persons, that is they are wearing mask like this on, they wear only till for their mouth or for like this on. But the proper way of wearing a mask is cover both your nose till this much, it must be covered, only from this part must be known to this. Okay, there is a proper way of wearing a mask. So I think the video was very useful to you, and kindly once again I'm saying, please share this video to all. Let at least any one or two might get useful by this video. I really request you all to share this video maximum, and if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel. And also if you find this video very useful, please like it, and if you don't find it useful, no problem, you can dislike it. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment in the comment section. And also thank you, have a nice day and be safe. Thank you.